Understanding wind speed for kites. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and educational topic: wind speed for kites. Have you ever wondered how the wind affects your kite flying? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to explore why wind speed matters for kite flying and how you can use this knowledge to have the best kite flying experience. Wind is simply air in motion, and it plays a critical role in flying kites. The wind speed determines how well a kite can soar and stay aloft. But not all wind speeds are ideal for kites. There's a sweet spot that provides the perfect balance for kite flying. Let's understand what wind speed is and why it's crucial for flying kites. When it comes to flying kites, not just any wind will do. The ideal wind speed for kite flying is between 5 to 25 miles per hour, mph. Below 5 miles per hour, it's tough to get the kite off the ground, and above 25 miles per hour, the wind can be too strong, making it difficult to control the kite. Understanding this range helps kite flyers choose the best day for their activity. How do we know the wind speed? You can use a wind meter or look up local weather forecasts. There are also some natural indicators of wind speed, like the movement of tree leaves or the way flags fly. Predicting the wind can help plan your kite flying adventure for optimal conditions. Knowing the ideal wind speed is one thing, but there are also some handy tips to ensure your kite flying is successful. Choose the right kite for the wind conditions. Practice in an open area away from obstacles. Learn to control your kite in varying wind speeds for better handling. We hope this video has enlightened you on the importance of wind speed for kite flying. Remember, the perfect wind can turn a good kite flying day into an amazing one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. Happy kite flying!